guys, I just come up on this little rock formation. I thought it was really cool how like the little creek goes through it. Let's see, let's check it out. That's really interesting. You see that? That makes me mad. It's uncalled for. Really. Bring a camera, people. Take a picture. Then you can prove you were there. Oh, that's so aggravating. Okay, I didn't realize I was in Rocksylvania. Thought I was in Tennessee, but who knows? I guess I could have crossed somewhere along the way using my special powers. So this is the trail right now. I just completed going uphill for a mile, and then we came down for a little bit, and it's a nice little flat area right here. So let's talk about today. I'm wearing my pack today. Probably only have about 18 pounds in it. I lightened it a lot because the last hike I did, where I was carrying all my weight, caused me a lot of pain in my shoulder blade area and my neck. So I'm gonna lighten it back down. I hiked 2 days ago and did 6 miles, but I was only carrying a day pack, and I had no issues with my back really at all. Just with my feet about a half a mile from being completed. But I just can't seem, I don't think, to get this pack right on my shoulders. So I keep adjusting and readjusting to see if it feels better. I've had a little bit of pain today, but I readjusted it again and now it seems okay. So there's the rocks. Now we're going to be going back up a little bit in elevation. So to save you guys from my huffing and puffing, I'm going to turn this off. That goes all the way up the rock. I just thought that was neat. Oh, back to the rocks. Oh look guys, a water source. But let's look again. Just the trail. I guess you could use it as a water source if you needed to. I don't know what's worse, the rocks or the roots. Dude, give me a break. You still got the sound of the river. I felt like this really deserved a video. Just did a little bit of a hard climb up a bunch of roots and rocks, but coming down now to this beautiful scenery, I just wanted to share it. I'm go slow, watch my step here. And then I'll stop a minute. I gotta cross this. This is gonna be fun. Oh. Look at that. And I gotta go over here, so let me catch up. Okay guys, now we get to cross the bridge. Oh joy. I'm not gonna record this because my luck I'll drop my phone, but I'll show you. Oh, this is amazing. Okay. Simply wonderful. These lovely ladies up there are hiking and just passed me a minute ago. Oh. Simply amazing. Yeah, we're definitely going to put you away for this. That was just a little scary. Whew. Seriously. Okay, looks like the trail goes up there. We'll catch you at the falls. I just want you guys to know, this feels like I've hiked for 10 miles. This is the trail that never ends. I'm really trying really hard not to be angry right now. It says this trail is only 4 miles long. My app says I've already gone 4.5 miles. I just passed these hikers on their way back down, and they told me I still had another mile to go. It took everything I had in me not to swear. This is a really hard hike. It's gorgeous, but it's really hard. So I'm a little angry right now. Okay guys, so my last little blurb about how mad I was about this app being a liar. I was gonna go the rest of the way, but I went probably about another, I don't know, 20 yards and started feeling really wet. So I'm getting wet inside my frog togs. I know I have it unzipped a little bit, but my arms are wet and my hair is wet and I had my hood on. So I think I'm gonna go back because it's raining and it's cool. I just think it would be the smart thing to do.